Freaking tornado. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. Hail right there. Here we go. What's up, boys? And today we're doing a NATO chase for NATO Bama. Today we had a tornado warning, quarter-sized hail, and much more. I'm gonna see you guys in the video. NATO Bama, we got hail. We got hail. That's hail right there. We got monster storms. Oh my. Monstrous freaking tornado. Oh, that's hail energy. We got hail. Oh my. It's mega hail. Oh my. It's just absolutely rotation. We got hail. It's raining hard. This is beautiful. Damn. Shit, I better get going. Oh my, this is beautiful. All that over there, all hail. All hail. Oh my god, was that a big lightning strike? Bro, I gotta get inside. This is not safe. This is not. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Holy crap. Freaking downpouring. Holy crap. NATO Bama. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my. Holy crap. Oh my god, I am so. Guys, this is bad. This is bad. Guys, this is the worst I've ever seen. What happened here made NATO Bama history. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. Bama. It's generational. Critical tornado warning. In Monty. Tornado freaking warning. What did I say? What did I say, bro? Freaking generational. Oh my god. Freaking, we got hail. We have hail. We got a tornado warning in NATO Bama. Holy mackerel. Holy crap. Tornado warning. Look at the wind for real. Tornado warning. Tornado warning. We got a NATO confirmed on the ground. And at the end of this video, it's hailing.
No, we knew we were out there looking at it.
This is what you do. This is what NATO Bama's about. This is what NATO Bama's about. Let's go. Our first tornado warning on freaking ground. This is crazy. Yep, hail right there. You go. There you go. Hail. Hail right there. Here we go. That's hail. We got hail.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage is likely to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Tree damage also likely. And the locations impacted that they list include Montevideo Airport, Montevideo, also Maynard.
Right there.
This tornado warning for South Central Chippewa County in West Central.
Tornado, literally quarter mile away from my house. I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the clouds were after today's storm. Look at the clouds, bro. This is just beautiful, bro. This is just freaking beautiful. Freaking tornado warning. We had a NATO. This is just freaking beautiful, guys. Oh my. Just freaking, I don't know what to say. It's freaking beautiful. Oh my. Freaking. Oh. Be it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see you in our next NATO Bama video. Peace, bros. Thanks for watching this NATO Bama YouTube video.